Hello guys and welcome to Top Foreign Channel. It's 2023 and you're missing a lot if you haven't found out yet how to make money online while lying in bed. In today's video, I'll show you a new platform that pays you to view videos, movies, games, and even comic books. The best part is that you can do all of this from the comfort of your own bed. As a result, it shouldn't be too tough. Simply pull out your phone or laptop, relax, and navigate to the website where you want to view a video. The first and most significant website that we will use to earn free PayPal money by simply watching movies is called animationarena.com. Before we get started with the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that like button and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever we upload a new video. And don't forget to leave a comment too. Let's start. This is where we can receive diverse movie, video game, and comic book reviews. People are commenting on this blog, forum, or whatever you want to call it. The most exciting component of this website is that it will pay you to watch a movie or play a video game, so we'll continue to use the feature to make money. The best part is that you don't have to spend any money and you don't need any special skills or knowledge to do it. This website welcomes visitors from all over the world. You don't need any writing skills for this because you won't be writing an essay or anything. All you have to do is share your comments on the video you watch, so you may watch any movie and any genre you want. All you have to do is share your comments on the video you watched, so feel free to choose whatever genre and then share your opinion about it on this website to be compensated. As you can see, the remuneration is $15 per review with a monthly limit of 10 reviews. However, this is only with one email address. You can certainly generate more money if you sign up for many accounts. Even if you only do 10 video evaluations per month, that's $150 just for watching movies, which I'm sure we do on a daily basis since we all enjoy viewing movies. What struck me the most was the opportunity to submit reviews on movies you've seen in the past. So let's find out the steps for making money online with Animation Arena. Each review you submit must be at least 550 words long and unique. You cannot simply copy and paste another person's review. Instead, you must write an unbiased review of the film. That's about all there is to it. At the end of each review, you must also score the information in a scale of 1 to 10. So whatever your thoughts on the movies are, simply write them. If you enjoy or detest the film, simply leave your honest opinion and you will be compensated $15 for each review. Assume you've just completed watching a movie and want to write a review about it. All you have to do is send an email to arenamaster@animationarena.com with the subject line "Writing for Animation Arena" and then respond to the questions below. This is how we make money online with Animation Arena. Now here is another tip. This time I have another better and more up-to-date method of making money by viewing videos online. This is another platform I'd like to share with you in order for you to optimize your revenue and results. For example, if you submitted 10 reviews on the previous website, you could earn up to $150. But if you want to earn more money by simply watching short videos rather than movies, you can use Cash Kick. As you can see, the most important prize is money. They will credit your account for all of the internet activities you already engage in, such as watching movies and surfing the web. Consider how easily you could make money by doing things. You can also complete surveys to get extra money, but that isn't what we'll be talking about today. As you can see, you can be paid directly to your PayPal account, which is great for online transactions. Cashkick.com is entirely free and will remain that way forever. With this method, you are not obliged to invest any money or other resources. You can start with nothing and work your way up. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. First, you view a series of short entertaining films and then you keep an eye on your account profits as they climb. Third, you may cash out quickly and easily, and the best part is that Cashkick boasts the market's lowest payout thresholds. They deposit money quickly, safely, and easily, beginning at $5. So all you need is $5 in your account to cash out. You don't need a minimum of $100 or $500. Merely $5, and you can withdraw your money almost immediately. What's even more astonishing is that you can do it on your smartphone or PC. You can earn money while laying in bed or laughing on the sofa. It's actually that easy. Even if it's only a few dollars, it adds up over time, and all you need are a few minutes and an internet connection. This could happen everywhere in the world. I mean, there's no actual work for you because you're just watching films that you don't have to actively watch. Simply press the play button and keep the video running in the background as you go about your business. Feeling excited to try this? Well, there's more, but before we go any deeper, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel. Make sure to give a thumbs up too if you love the video. Do you have any questions, concerns, or violent reactions? Please comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Now it's time to go back to earn some money. To begin, go to cashkick.com or download their app and register for a free account. To do so, simply enter your email address and password, then click the Get Started Now button. That's the only thing there is to it. After that, you'll be able to access the feature where you can watch videos and be paid for them. Some of the testimonials on this website indicate that this website is legitimate. Before we wrap up this video, let's go through some of the frequently asked questions on the Cashkick website. Who is eligible to participate in Cashkick? Anyone over the age of 18 who resides in the United States. Why won't Cashkick accept my zip code? Only inhabitants of the United States with a valid zip code are eligible to sign up. How can I make money on Cashkick? On Cashkick, you can complete offers that interest you, as well as take daily surveys. If you qualify for a survey, complete the entire thing, and you will earn once you have completed the entire survey. Once you have a minimum of $10 in your account, you can request the withdrawal via a verified PayPal account. Why haven't I gotten my revenue from an offer yet? Some deals to not credit your Cashkick earnings account immediately. If you have not been credited within 30 days of fulfilling the terms of an offer, please email us with your offer details and confirmation of completion so that one of the people at Cashkick can verify it. When signing up for offers, you must use the same email address that you use for Cashkick. That's all there is to it, people. So there you have it. I hope that this video helped you gain another avenue to earn money. If you like videos that have similar content to this, check out my channel and view my other videos. And if you like it, please hit the like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you'll be notified of new videos. If you have any further questions, feel free to comment down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.